Welcome to this tutorial for the 2021 Douglas County Lamb Show on how to take our pictures and submit those for our auction. While we're planning on an in-person show with our confirmation and showmanship, we'll have auction buyer attendees both in person and virtual, and we'll need great pictures of our youth for that. Further, we're going to be using these pictures for the buyer's placard. So let's talk about what views we'll need to submit and how to submit them. And as was talked about with the webinar on April 29th, we're going to be submitting these pictures and videos for everyone. And this tutorial is just on the pictures. There'll be a second tutorial for the video. So what are the three views? We're using some example pictures from last summer's fair here. But for the first shot, we should see, for your animal, we should see your animal in the profile view. We want to see your lamb and you and be able to see both of you. And so make sure the picture incorporates both. We've got the lamb set up in the brace, and we can see you as well. The second picture, we'll need a rear view of that. So again, we'll see you in the picture, you braced in the lamb. And the third picture we should see is what we call the face shot. This picture is for that auction component so that people can see not just the animal, but also the youth and really see who it is they're supporting. So that is a different piece perhaps than we might normally expect, but an important one for this. So let's make sure we have those three pictures. And again, that we are in show attire, our animal's show ready and fit. It's going to be that best look because not only are they going to see that at the auction, whether it's live or if they're online, and that's the pictures that we upload for that, as well as in the buyer's placard, especially the profile shot. So make sure those three are in great shape. There's some good help with this in terms of that's been talked about, making sure our lighting is good, making sure that our camera angles are good. Once you have your pictures, you're going to upload to a Google form. That form is being provided via email, and it'll say Douglas County Lamb Show 2021 picture upload. This is due by May 16th, and it is just our pictures for this year. So for this form, you'll put in the youth that we're doing this for, and we'll call it example student. We'll put in the name of the club or chapter, whatever it is for you, and we put in your weigh-in ear tag number. So that's that market animal tag that was given when your lamb was in, probably orange this year, most of them. Whatever that number is. Hopefully that's not yours. I just made that up. We'll hit next. Then here's where we add our three pictures. If you do this from a smartphone, it's really simple. If you use the smartphone to also take the pictures. And so you'll just hit add file, find your picture right there on your phone, and put it on. And again, please make sure the profile shot gets to the correct spot here, and the rear shot and the face shot. Otherwise, it might not work out correctly. If you have any technical challenges with this, please reach out through your 4-H leader or FFA advisor. And if they're not able to help you, they'll reach out further and we'll make that fix. But there it is. We're going to take those three picture shots. We're going to get them uploaded to this Google form with your basic info, and we're going to have that by May 16th so we can get this information to the folks at i5 Auctions who are awesome and helping us out again this year and making it possible to host this and have the best access in time. So we're looking forward to this in-person activity and appreciate everybody making it work because we need these digital components ahead of time to get the best result.